Hello everyone, good morning. Jai Shri Krishna, how are you all? So today's topic is about the attributes of number one. Okay, this is our last session of the numerology, numerology numbers. Okay, the affirmation numerology traits of the all the numbers. So affirmation for the number one is I am exclusive. Okay, I'm an exclusive person. What is the background of number one? The number one was the first, and from it all the things were made. The Pythagoras called the one is limited or the unlimited. One is the line between the heaven and the earth. Okay, so this is a line, this is a heaven, or this is a hell. So the creative power, the first cause touching the earth plan, and the numeral one is a straight line. It is the first principle in the geometry, an extension of the point and having the length but no breadth. It's a sign of the unity, the one united. Okay, the one united. Okay, and it is represented by the perpendicular lines, the circles, the spheres, upright columns, and the opening. So the universe is one only. The God is one. The monistic theory. The background of the one it says that numerology, the one is a leader, it is a vertical line which stands strength and the confident. You see the strength and the confident. The one demonstrate the creative abilities, originality. It's a trailblazer, an inventor, a style setter. It is a self-reliant in the individual, a doer, a thinker, and a planner. In English, there is a one word. The word is a. Okay, so which is represented by number one in the numerology. If you see the Pythagorean and the Chaldean numerological chart, the A is represented by number. So A is represented by the number. So A letter or the one number is very important. One is also ruled by the planet Sun. Okay, this is a planet Sun. So background of the 10 1 10 on 1. Okay, so the first man in the Christianity, who was the first man in the Christianity? Adam. And the first man in the Hinduism is a Manu, the sage Manu. Okay, so if you calculate the numbers, it comes 10 1. The mama is come on 10. Dada is also come on 10. Okay, so it is present in all the lives and the perfection in every part of the creation and regeneration. So number one religion is Christianity. So why I like the Christianity? Because in the Christianity, the Adam had a the three children. Okay, and in Hinduism, the Manu Rishi had the five children. Okay, so both are the creator of this universe, but you see the numbers. The Adam belongs to number three, like which is my life path number, my destiny, my expression number, and Manu is belong to the five. Okay, so I like number three instead of number five. Five is all about the balance or like a neutral number. Okay, but so that's why the number one religion is a Christianity. Okay, so let me tell you the wife of Adam. The who was the Adam's wife? The Eve. Okay, both had three children. In the Christianity, the Manu Rishi plus or like a heart and a Shatrupa. They had the five children. Okay, both are good. The five is ruled by the Lord Mercury, and the three is ruled by the Jupiter. So both are the intellectual personalities. But the I like the Christianity because the God has given me number three. That's why I like the Christianity. Okay, and three has a very the unique value in Hinduism also. That is the Trinity. Okay, the Lord Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. Who was the Shatrupa? Shatrupa was the daughter of the Lord Brahma. Okay, the Shatrupa was the daughter of the Lord Brahma. The Brahma who is the creator of this universe, the first creator of this universe. The Lord Brahma's place in the Rajasthan, Ajmer, Pushkar. Okay, so you should visit if you have not visited yet the Lord Brahma's place. So background of the 19 on 10 on 1. Okay, so examples of the 19 10 on 1, that is a body, idea, teach, grass, cloud, air. These are the 19 words. Like Alpha and Omega, they are constantly renewing themselves, fresh, new, and perfect, chaos and stress. Okay, so this is your negative uh, word for number 1. Here's a background of the 28 on 10 on 1. So 20, the qualities of the two come. So the qualities of two come first and second 8. When they both are together, that becomes stronger. So 2 is a peacemaker that is ruled by the moon, and the 8 is an executive with a good judgment, which is ruled by the Lord Saturn. So on 28, 2 achieves the leadership through their diplomacy uh, for their justice. So both the heaven and hell have the 10 roots. Okay, if you calculate the heaven and hell, the both comes on 1. So but heaven's root total is 28 on 10 on 1. Okay, that new experiences and unlimited opportunities. When 8 is like the infinite, so unlimited opportunity or the new experiences, while the health root total is a 19 on the 10 on 1, that showing there is a karmic lesson to be the learned. It cannot get away with the anything. So the heaven is a 28 10 on 1 and the hell is a 19 on 10 on 1. Okay, so but both are the 1. Okay, so if you go to the heaven, that is also same. If you go to the hell, that is also same. So we have to become the 1 only. So both are 1 number. What is the background of the 28 and 1? The girl, the goddess, each total 28 on 10 on 1. So how to remember 28 on 10 on 1? The goddess girl is in heaven. Okay. Goddess girl is in heaven. So goddess is also 1, girl is also 1, heaven is also 1. So 28 words, magical, circus, opera, and the jubilee. So people who are born on the 28th, they like so much circus, opera music, and the silver jubilee, the golden jubilees, means celebration. They like celebrations a lot. Now the background of the 37 on 10 on 1. So the 37 achieves the perfection through study to develop their talents. The 7 always seeks the perfection. Okay, like the perfect totals 37. Okay, so 7 is associated with the perfection. Rainbow, a beautiful example of 37 is for the 3, that means the knowledge and that brings joy. And the 7 is 7 colors of the spectrum and that are present in the rainbows. Now, what is the background of the 46 on 10 on 1? That what's the producer, the ministry, and the research, and the fighter, the sacrifice, deception, and the licentious. That is a come in the 46 on 10 on 1. The background of the negative words, the producer, ministry, recircuit, and same, the fighter, sacrifice, deception, listening. Okay, I'll mention the second time. Okay, so background of the 64 on 10 on 1, impersonator. Okay, impersonator is someone like who often does the copycat. Okay, is the hummingbird. The background of the 64 on 10 on 1, comprehension, the inspired artist, extraordinary. Now let's come to the overall traits of number 1, the positive traits, the negative traits, and the destructive traits. The positive traits of the number 1 is they become very active, ambition, creative ideas, determination towards their work. They have the good mind, individuality, inventive, originality, self-confidence, and they starts many projects and they have a good willpower if the one is a positive and mindset. If the people are the negative, then they become aggressive, the braggart that is to show off something, impulsive in nature, aggressive, lazy, self-conscious, represses their emotional feelings, selfish, sensitive, and the stubborn, very dogmatic person kind of. Okay, if the destructive side is going on, the bigot, a dogmatist person, a bullying person, they will bully, to others, antagonistic, dominating, extremely egotistical, puts self first at all times, and tyrannical. Okay, they say the harsh words. So the one is a androgynous, male and female in the unity, like a neither specifically feminine or nor masculine in energy. Okay, so the one is a androgynous. What is the conclusion? The question often asked, the how will you know whether you're positive or negative or the destructive side is going on? Look at the symptoms, the neurological traits, behavior, and the character of a person. If you see the positive side, the positive traits, that means a person is positive. You see the negative traits, the number one says a person is a negative, and the destructive, you see all the like harsh behavior, the bully nature, dominating, or extremely egotistical, like that. All right. So, what are the general five remedies for the number one? You have to wear the gold and yellow sapphire gemstone on your index finger that will enhance your leadership qualities and your independence. In the morning time, you can perform the Surya Namaskaram by offering the water to the Lord Sun and perform the Surya Puja in a temple. And respect your father's wish. Respect your father. Auspicious direction for you, the first most, that is the east. So you should prefer to study towards east direction or work towards the east. Or second favorite favorable direction for you, that is the northeast. Donate yellow objects and foods such as pulses, yellow mustard seeds. The whenever you can do that, the donation. Put a piece of the citron in your wallet or a purse to bring the abundance and the prosperity in your life. So tomorrow we will study the sun signs compatibility. Okay, this the one sign with the all other signs for the love, friendship, and for the family. Family, that means for the marriage point of view. Okay, so it will be based on the sun sign. Okay, not the uh, moon signs. And sun signs compatibility is seen based on the 15 numbers. Okay, out how many numbers you get out of the 15. Okay, in moon signs, we calculate the numbers you get out of 36. Okay, this is for your moon sign. For sun sign, you will get out of 15. Okay, so we'll study tomorrow. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe to channel. If you have any queries, you can ask me by sending an email or in a comment box. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye. Jai Shri Krishna.